How to make a resume in Google Docs. If you want to create a professional resume using a template, Google Docs is one of the best options to help. Employers often form their first impressions of candidates based on their resumes, so presenting one that is professional and describes your suitability for the role may increase your chances for getting hired. Now, there are a lot more than only two resume types. If you click on Template Gallery, you can actually see that there are 5 resume types. Now let's select Modern Writer because I like the color, and from here you can just delete this and say something like now after you fill everything up with your own details, which I'm obviously not gonna do right here, sending a resume is not going to be okay if, for example, you send it in Google Docs as a Google Docs document. You have to go to File, Download as PDF document, and it is that document, it is the PDF document that you're going to download. That's the resume that you're going to send to your employer, unless they want something like a Microsoft Word or something. Now, going back to the templates, if you want more templates, you can just type in so let's select one. I like this one. And as you can see, here's the entire resume that we can edit. And that was basically how to add more templates. And that's how to make a resume in Google Docs.